Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lab, we are going to build an application to send chat prompts using the Gemini model. So let's start the lab. I've been already logged in with my lab. So your open editor will be opened at the left, and let's go for task number one. So click on file, create a new file, and then copy this code and paste it here. Click a file, create a new file, and copy your code and paste it here. And to save this file, copy this send chat without stream.py. Copy this, click on file, click on save. So below that there is a name, delete that and paste it here and click on enter. So the code has been updated. So copy this code below that and paste it here in your terminal and click on enter. So it is loading. So the chat has been started. It's great to meet you. How can I assist you? And etc. etc. So let's go for next task. So again, let's create a file, create a new file, and copy this code and paste this code is in here. And to save this file, so copy again stat with stream.py. Copy this, click on file, click on save. So under name, paste it here, click on enter. So below that, copy that code and paste the code in terminal. Click on enter. So again, it's asking about rainbow. I think something. It's giving some colors here. So I can see here some colors are given, etc. Violet, red, yeah, indigo colors. So let's check my lab. I have been finished or not. So lab has been successfully finished. So let's end my lab. So please like and subscribe for more updates, guys.